ball game. Yeah, we let it rip. When we got the money, let it roll. Yeah, if we got the gas, it gets wild. Yeah, but that's the way we get down. In a hick town. Well, you can see the neighbor's butt crack, nailing on his shingles, and his woman smoking Pall Malls, watching Laura Ingalls. And Granny's getting lit, she's heading out to bingo. Yeah, my buddies and me are going mudding down on Blue Hole Road. You know, we let it rip. When we got the money, let it roll. Yeah, if we got the gas, it gets wild. Yeah, but that's the way we get down. In a hick town. Stand on it. Folks in the city party in martini bars, and they like to show off in their fancy foreign cars. Out here in the boondocks we buy beer at Amoco and crank out Greco speakers with that country radio. We let it rip. When we got the money, let it roll. Yeah, if we got the gas, it gets wild. Yeah, but that's the way we get down. Oh, we let it rip. When we got the money, let it roll. Yeah, if we got the gas, it's buck wild. Yeah, but that's the way we get down. In a hick town. In a hick town. That's the way we get down. In a hick town. Yeah, in a hick town. Oh, we ain't finished yet. Got your country boys and your redneck girls. It's the party heard round the world, right here in Hick Town. Yeah, in Hick Town. The whole town's getting it down. Yeah, we let it rip. When we got the money, let it roll. Yeah, if we got the gas, it's buck wild. Yeah, but that's the way we get down. In a hick town. In a hick town. That's the way we get down. Oh, take it home.
They used to call me lightning. I was always quick to strike. Had everything I owned in the saddles on my back. I had a reputation for never staying very long, just like a wild and restless drifter, like a cowboy in a song. I met a dark-haired beauty where they lay the whiskey down in southern Arizona, in a little border town. She had to dance for money in that dusty old saloon. I dropped $1 in the jukebox, played that girl a tune, yeah. Never see it coming, it just hits you by surprise. It's that cold place in your soul, and that fire in her eye that makes you come together like wild horses when they run. Now the cards are on the table and the bullets in the gun, yeah. She's sitting on my lap, we still had shots to kill when a man pulled up who owned the bar in a Cadillac DeVille. Grabbed her by her raven hair and threw her in the floor. Said no free rides for the cowboys, that ain't what I pay you for, no. She jumped up and grabbed my pistol, stuck it in the fat man's back. Said open up the safe and put your money in the sack. Tied his hands behind him and put a blindfold on his eyes. If you're dumb enough to chase this man, you dumb enough to die. Never see it coming, it just hits you by surprise. It's that cold place in your soul, that fire in her eye that makes you come together like wild horses when they run. Now the cards are on the table and the bullets in the gun, yeah. Across the border, down into Mexico. When you're running from the law, ain't that where everybody goes? We came to a town with a name I couldn't spell. She gave me what I came for in that Mexican motel. I woke up to sirens and the sound of running feet. There were 50 federales locked and loaded in the street. She grabbed my 44, I grabbed the money in the sack. She kissed me for the last time and we headed out the back. Every gun was on us and every heartbeat pounded, and there's only one thing left to do when they got you all surrounded. She fired that old pistol, but we didn't stand a prayer. Money hit the gravel, bullets filled the air, yeah. Never see it coming, just hit you by surprise. It's that cold place in your soul, that fire in her eye that makes you come together like wild horses when they run. Now the cards are on the table and bullets in the gun. Bullets in the gun. Bullets in the gun. Bullets in the gun.
Raised up in Jersey, I said, oh Lord have mercy. Never seen a one-light town till she moved down here. She said, I'm so bored out of my mind, need a Starbucks and a Wi-Fi, or a jet airliner to fly me anywhere. I said, do you want to take a drive in my truck? Don't pay no mind to that 12-point buck laid across my hood. You ever been to Rome, Georgia? Pick peaches off the trees, climbed a water tower in Paris, Tennessee. I've been to Florence, Alabama, drink muscadine wine. Chance to change your mind. So before you go twinkle of a star in a southern sky. She fell in love. We went down to Rome, Georgia, picked peaches off the trees, climbed a water tower in Paris, Tennessee. Went to Florence, Alabama, drank muscadine wine. She gave me a chance and I made her mine. I said she'll never fly away, she's my girl. It's 'cause I showed her